made it home to the Wilderness Lodge. So we finally made it here to our room at Copper Creek at Disney's Wilderness Lodge. We are staying in a studio villa. We have the regular tub shower villa. When it comes to the studio villas, they have two types here. They have the regular tub shower like we have, and they have a walk-in shower. One thing to note is if you do end up with the tub shower, you will be on the first floor. That is where they have all these rooms. The exception of about 4 or 5 different rooms on the other ones, which are the little corner rooms. Those are considered tub shower studio rooms, but those are very hard to get. They are actually an alternative layout, but for the most part you will end up here on the first floor. So we'll start the tour here at the front door. Here to the left you have a little closet for storage. Have enough room for about 2 medium-sized bags and a couple book bags. And just like all other studios, you have a small kitchenette. This kitchenette has a slide out storage area. We have utensils in this. Down below you would have a trash can. And we have extra space down here. We also have a miniature refrigerator, regular coffee maker, the microwave, some glass cups, toaster, and a nice bucket. Over here on the right, we have a single sink vanity with a trash can and some under the sink storage, as well as some drawer storage. In this one, you'll find the hair dryer. And here's the bathroom. This is what I was talking about. We have a standard type of tub shower. It does have a handheld shower head as well as the rainfall head. And we do have a glass sliding door. Back out here in the main area, you have a queen size bed with 2 end stands. You have a queen size pull-out sofa. You have a coffee table that converts into a desk. And you have a 2-person seated table. You also have a chest of drawers to store your stuff if you're staying here long enough. And finally, you have a little sitting bench to be able to put your shoes on or do whatever you need to do, but have a spot to sit other than on the bed or in the 2 chairs. And then out here is our outside view. We have 2 chairs and a small table. Got this kind of little brick wall and runoff. And we are overlooking the DVC quiet pool, as well as over here is Geyser Point. So you could technically walk through the grass to the pool or Geyser Point from our room, but it seems very peaceful. So this is the laundry facility. If you are staying here at Copper Creek as a DVC guest, you get access to this free laundry. You get free wash, free dry, but you do have to pay for soap and fabric softener, but they're only $1 a piece, so looking at $2 a load, not too bad compared to regular facilities. Also, what's cool is you have these laundry baskets here, so you can transport it over. So this is on the 4th floor. You got 6 dryers, 3 washers. Also, what's neat is they have this electronic system that you can go to the website and you can see how long you have left on your laundry and dry cycles. Breakfast from Roaring Forks. This is the bagel sandwich that has egg and cheese and bacon on a bagel with potatoes. And then we made our Joffrey's coffee here in the room this morning. So that's a room tour here at Copper Creek. Again, this is a studio villa with a standard tub. My final thoughts of the room is, I agree with people that I believe this room does seem a little smaller than other rooms. Definitely compared to Disney's Grand Californian out in California. That's really the biggest room I can compare it to. What do you think? Does it seem smaller?
Yeah.
I wouldn't say that I hate it. The only thing I did really dislike was how to get down here. So technically this is the first floor, like I said. The lobby is actually on the second floor. So you kind of have to go to the Mercantile and down a long hallway to the end to catch an elevator. And then we had to double back and go all the way down to the end of the hallway. And when you're trying to pull luggage and their hallways are carpeted, it really doesn't make it simple.
That's about it. But otherwise, it's a really nice room. It's peaceful for the most part. You do have foot traffic in your balcony area in the back of the room. It's very beautiful. It's our home.
Yeah, so I don't think that the foot traffic outside the balcony is going to be too bad. It may be less rowdy than over on the pool side, because at least over on the pool you would have music and you would have the kids and all that stuff, because they were playing music earlier when we were walking around. At least we're over here on the quiet pool side, and the traffic going back and forth, just a few people walking. So I think it is more quieter on the Boulder Ridge side. That's what some other people that I have heard about these rooms have said, that they prefer the Boulder Ridge side because it is quieter. But you do not have that nice view, especially if you're on the top floors, of the geyser itself, the geyser point, the lake. When the pageant comes through later, they'd be able to see the pageant from their rooms. But I think this room is decent for where it is, and we are going to enjoy it tonight. And that's about it. So this is the resort here at Copper Creek at Disney's Wilderness Lodge. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you've not subscribed to our channel yet, be sure to hit that subscribe button below. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below.